Hello and welcome to Mining Review Africa, and today I'm chatting to JD Nell, who's a Grindex and Godwin product manager at Integrated Pump Technology. JD, thank you for joining us.
Thank you very much.
Now, obviously there's a lot of activity in Central Africa with regards to mining operations. Tell me about how you are going about expanding your footprint in some of these countries.
Look, what we're doing is we're looking at specific distributor centers which we can use in certain areas, which obviously falls into what we're looking for as a distribution channel that's got local footprint, that's got the on-site knowledge, that knows the area. So we're definitely looking into somebody that can take our product to the market, that's got knowledge of the areas, and also making sure that the mines are covered from A to Z in all aspects.
Absolutely. Now, JD, talk to me about what are some of the biggest dewatering challenges that mines in Central Africa face?
The biggest dewatering challenge is obviously climate change and rain. Unforeseen rains has got a huge impact on any mining operation that can get the production to a halt. I definitely feel that the biggest challenge is climate change and rain for the Central Africa areas.
Okay. Now, obviously there's surface and underground mining. How do these dewatering needs differ in the region?
Underground mining obviously uses the submersible units, the electrical submersible unit, which is a consumable for any underground operation. Surface mining uses the Godwin as well as the electrical units for the surface mining areas, depending on needs and also a few factors that needs to be kept in mind. Is there power available? If not, then the route with the diesel units will go. But if there's power available, definitely both options, Grindex and Godwin, can be used in these areas.
Okay, now JD, a lot of the mines in Central Africa are in very remote regions. So why is pump reliability so critical to these operations?
Quality. The customer tends to go with the quality. With the quality goes the backup system, which is the aftermarket support, spares availability to ensure that there's no downtime or any unforeseen circumstances where a pump's been bought and there isn't spares available. So quality is definitely one of the key points the customers are looking at, which we offer the Grindex, both the Godwin products as well.
Okay. Now, you already have two local distributors, one in Zambia, one in the DRC. How does this strengthen IPT's on-site support for its customers?
Definitely adds value. With the local support we've got in both these countries, the guys are mechanically knowledge, they've got the product knowledge, so they're adding value to any customer that's based in both of these regions by underground as well as surface plants. They can add value with the knowledge of the products that we have to offer, as well as the mechanical side as a backup also.
Okay. Now finally, JD, you touched on the effects of climate change. How is this changing the way that mines manage their water?
The guys are looking at it from a different perspective. Obviously with climate change, rainfall increasing, unforeseen rainfall. So the guys tend to increase bin levels on site of the pumps as well as the spares. They're adding more pumps, spares, if unforeseen circumstances arises there. So they're looking at that to ensure that when any circumstance, they fully covered, whether it be pumps, new pumps that's on site, or repairing the current pumps that's down, so that they can get them quickly in and ensuring that the water is being moved.
Great stuff. Well, JD Nell, Grindex and Godwin product manager at IPT, thank you for joining us on Mining Review Africa today.
Thank you very much.